fellow adventurers. It's Bear, long time no see. And today we are driving to Ventspils, and because I did sign up for 5K run. Yeah, I know. Silly Bear. So yeah, I'm totally not ready. I hope I will make it. And yeah, and why did I do it, you ask? I'm trying to be more active lately since the start of the year, and it has been going pretty well for me. I have results, and for extra motivation I decided that I need to like do something like that. Yeah, so wish me luck. It's about a little bit more than half an hour until the start. I have already received my number, and yeah, I'm pretty nervous and excited in the same time.
Kāpēc tu neies priekšā?
Es nezinu. Nezinu. Man jau jāiet ir.
Nezinu, laikam. Vai tu vari vismaz kaut kur nostāties tur jau?
Es gan jau, ka kaut kur nostāšos, tad jau vietas būs.
Pēc kaut kā varbūt aiziet.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, distancē. Visiem veiksmes, izdarīgi, jā.
Kristi, ies tur? Nu, kā bija?
Es noskrēju, un es nebiju pēdējā.
Tu nebija pēdējā, tur daudz vēl skrien.
I finished and I wasn't last.
Kad tu uzzinās rezultātu? Tu uzņēmi sev pats?